garbage truck. Before the sun has said hello, garbage truck is on the go. Bags and cans by the road. For garbage truck, a stinky load. Drop the bag, empty the can. Hurry, follow the garbage man. Set down the can, slow and steady. Onward, garbage truck is ready. Huff and puff goes garbage truck, full of trash. P.U. Yuck! Here comes a truck with a job that's clean. Recycle truck, painted green. Collecting things to use again. Recycle truck helps his friend. Time to store the bins away until the next collection day. Picking up trash was smelly fun, but for garbage truck, the day is done. The end.
Hello everyone, my name is Hoa. I'm a teacher in BB Education. Cô Hoa xin chào các con. Trong video này cô Hoa sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn là học và hiểu, học một số từ vựng và hiểu câu chuyện garbage truck. Now let's start. What is it? Is this a car? It's a garbage truck. Garbage truck. Look at my mouth, please. Attention for the ending sound. Garbage truck. What are these? What are these? These are bags. 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 What are these? These are cans. Cans. Attention for the ending sounds. Cans. What is it? What is it? It's a road. Road. It's not a rod. Road. Attention for the phonics O. Road. 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 Okay. Next. Look at the van. Oh my God, it's smelly. A stinky load. A stinky load. Oh my God. Look at his face. Có cái thứ gì đấy nó bốc mùi đúng không? Nó chất đống lại. Chúng mình nhìn thấy hình ảnh này này. Chất đống và bốc mùi. Right? Next. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Drop. 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 Next. Look at your basket. This is full of apples. This bucket is empty. 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 Look at them, everyone. They are walking, right? And look at the blue pupil. They are following the man. Follow. Follow me, please. The man said. Follow me. Okay. Next. Look at the turtle. I think everyone know this animal, right? It's a turtle, but it's slow and steady. Slow and steady. Steady. Slow and steady. Chậm mà chắc, right? Next. Look at this. It's trash. Full of trash. Look at this picture. This can is, and this bin is full of trash. Look at this. Is this a garbage truck? Yes, but it's not enough. It is a recycle truck. Look at this. It's a recycle truck. Với chiếc xe này thì chúng mình có thể thấy là nó có thể tái chế. Các bạn nhìn biểu tượng này nhé. Là cái xe này xe dùng để tái chế, chở các cái chất thải có thể tái chế được như là lon, đúng không nào? Cans đấy. Và các đồ nhựa. Recycle. Okay. Look at the kids. They are collecting. Collect. Next. Look at the bins. Store the bins. The bins. You can see there are 4 bins and they are stored. Bình thường chúng mình sẽ biết một nghĩa là danh từ của từ store. Store có nghĩa là gì? Cửa hàng, đúng không nào? Tuy nhiên thì trong câu này chúng mình sẽ biết được nó có một nghĩa với nghĩa là động từ nha các bạn nhé, là một động từ sắp xếp, cất gọn đấy, cất gọn các cái thùng rác lại sau khi mà đã làm một ngày làm việc thì các cái thùng rác sẽ được lau dọn và được cất đi, sắp xếp gọn gàng. Okay. Look at the girl. Look at this girl. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is picking up. Pick up the can, right? Oh my God, look at this man. And what's happened with his sock? It's too smelly. Oh my God, it's smelly. That's everyone, let's practice more and more time, please. And now say goodbye.